Alright guys, it's Friday, coming home, brake lights on. We got just about no brakes. There's more air than stopping power. So picked up some pieces on the way home from a local auto parts store called New Way Auto Parts. Got some wheel cylinders, got some shoes at home, got some brake fluid today. So we're gonna pull these apart tomorrow when it's a little warmer, and we're gonna see what's the issue. Alright, so we got her in the driveway. We got her up on jacks. I'm gonna try this at home. Got the ace mechanic on the job. We'll get back to you when we get the wheel off. Alright, wheel and drum are off. Here we come in the closer inspection, and everything is totally soaking wet with brake fluid.
And show that we got a safety on the hitch.
Yep.
Since we have all the right tools and we are just too lazy to get them. We gotta take this. Okay. I need one thing. Stop. Okay.
He's got them all back together. Now he's going to find a new cotter pin and some wheel bearing grease. And then we're going to take some of this old brake clean here and spray it up really good. And wipe this all down. Then fill her up and she'll be ready to go. Well, we got the master opened up here and she's bone dry. So time to give her a good fill up. All right.
Got brakes? Hold them. Okay, pump them. Pump them about 4 times. Hold them. They should be going down to the floor.
Alright guys, she's all back together. Just time to take her for a test drive tomorrow and see how it is. Hey guys, this is the first test drive with the brakes. It appears we have good braking and good stopping power. No issues with brake lights. And it stops like it should. Thanks you all for watching, and please like and subscribe.